Welcome to In 5 Minutes. In our next video, we'll be talking about IO port with a detailed example. So let's call it IO port detailing. At the back of our PC, we have a lot of IO ports which are used for input, output, and in some cases both. There's just a diagram which will explain that there are several ports. This port includes the traditional old USB ports which are used for your pen drives. Nowadays also USB mouse and USB keyboards exist. The LAN port which is used for connecting it to LAN. There is also audio jack which can be used for audio input and output. There is a VGA which is basically used for monitors. There is also a serial port, old COM1, COM2 ports, HDMI for the output, PS2 keyboard and PS2 mouse. So we have several ports which can be used. Each of the IO port will have 4 basic registers to talk about. These 4 basic registers would be controller register, second, status register, third, data in register for input, data out register for the output. Let's try to understand each one of them and their work. So we said controller register, status register, data in and data out register. The basic board of controller register is to decide mode. This can be between serial parallel. This can be between half duplex or full duplex. So control register setting certain bits would decide serial or parallel, half duplex or full duplex. In some cases it can also set speed and other interrelated terms. Status register. Status register will be majorly used to monitor. It tells whether the command is over, whether command is still running, whether the result is available, or we should still wait for the result. So basically status register always is monitored to get the status. So we call it no status. That's a basic job of a status register. Data in, data out on the other hand is used for reading, writing, where data in is generally used to write, data out is generally to store result. So basically every IO port will first go through a controller register to decide the mode as well as deciding the speed and other factors. Then before reading, writing, it has to go through a status registers to find out what is the status of a device, and when everything is clear either for input or output, it will go to data register. So basically 4 registers works together to create a complete IO mechanism and an IO port system. Thanks for watching this video.